I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea from scratch. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients: tea bags, water, and any sweetener you prefer. Select a large, heat-proof pitcher or container that can hold at least 2 quarts. For the best possible taste, always use good quality filtered water. This simple preparation ensures a clean and refreshing base for your perfect iced tea. Now, let's brew. Bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil, then carefully pour it over 6 to 8 standard tea bags in your pitcher. Allow the tea to steep for about 5 minutes. You can go a little longer if you prefer a stronger brew. When steeping is complete, gently remove the tea bags without squeezing them, as this can release bitter tannins into your tea. Next, it's time to sweeten and chill. If you like your tea sweet, stir in your preferred amount of sugar or other sweetener while the tea is still hot, ensuring it dissolves completely. Then, add 4 cups of cold water to the pitcher. This helps to dilute the concentrate and begins the cooling process. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, allowing it to become thoroughly chilled. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade iced tea. Pour it over plenty of ice in your favorite glass. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint. This simple addition elevates the experience. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your refreshing, perfectly brewed iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.